Get more power, more runtime, and more durability with the Rockwell Brushless 20-volt max cordless drill and impact wrench kit. Permanent magnet motors mean less moving parts and less friction. You get more torque and up to 50% more runtime per charge. Increased durability is why Rockwell can offer an unprecedented 20-year limited warranty on all brushless tools and batteries. You're covered until 2036. Get Rockwell Brushless tools because quitting is not an option. On sale now, only available at Canadian Tire.
Hey, this is the Bosch DDB 181 18-volt compact drill driver. It's the lightest and most compact 18-volt half-inch drill driver on the market, and it's a great value. The DDB 181 is so compact, it's optimized to get into those tight and hard-to-reach places. The lightweight design reduces fatigue during daily use so you can work longer. With 350 inch-pounds of torque and 1300 RPM, you'll be able to fasten with power and drill with speed. The half-inch auto-lock chuck works for a broad range of applications, and the built-in LED helps eliminate those dark workspaces. With the Bosch flexible power system, the DDB 181 works with any Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion battery on the market. Electricians, plumbers, installers, and HVAC contractors will love this thing. Whether you're driving into metal or wood, this drill can handle these light-duty applications easily. So, if you're looking for something ultra compact with good power that's also a good value, this guy is the perfect tool for the job. Thanks again for watching the DDB 181 18-volt compact drill driver. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch 18-volt cordless power tools.